Hey, what is up people? My name is Alex and today I'm gonna show you how to get a very cohesive and good looking style for your feed on Instagram. This method that I'm about to show you is basically not a pro level thing. It's just a trick that I found out when I first started Instagram, and well, I really think it's a good trick. So this video is mainly for those of you who don't want to get into the depths of Photoshop and Lightroom and all that stuff and all those scary sliders, and you know what I mean. Basically for this trick you'll need only two apps. One of them will be VSCO and the other one will be Pinterest. And the cool part, as Joe LaPuma says on Complex, is that you need to browse your shelves and get the pairs that you want to buy them. For those of you who really watch Complex, but I guess all of you watch Complex. So what I mean by that is basically that you will go on Pinterest, but you know what? Let me show you first. So I just started the screen recording on my phone and I'm about to show you how exactly you can do all this process. So first of all, you should go on Pinterest, and once Pinterest is opened, type the search one and then go VSCO Themes. And right now you should choose one of them, the one that you really like the most probably. But before choosing one, you should know that basically the colors that you use will be affected by the preset. So you should use a preset that suits your color. Don't go on a black and white preset if you're using greens and I don't know, yellow, something like that, because that won't suit your photography style. Because this is a common mistake when I see people starting Instagram and starting their own feed and getting like those really nice vibes on the feed and that cohesive look. They're trying to get something like I don't know, preset from Bali to use it in New York. That won't work, bro. Like it doesn't work like that. When you edit something, when you put a preset on something, the preset has to suit the actual environment that you're shooting in. That being said, I chose this one over here, and it looks pretty moody, looks pretty dark. I like it, with a lot of blues in the shadows. So let's see how that goes. Now I'm gonna open the second app, which is VSCO, and then I'm gonna import all my photos. I selected 6 photos just for the sake of this video, which are raw, so I didn't post-process it at all. They're just raw straight out of the camera. And I'm gonna start copying the preset settings from Pinterest to VSCO. So let's choose this photo and hit edit. One short reminder is that I paid for the full version of VSCO just because I find it very useful and I really like to edit my stories with it. Let's go back to Pinterest and see what's the filter. The filter is A6 with plus 12, so that's maximum. We have to find A6, which is I think way up to the right. Well, A6, there you go. It's one of my favorite filters, by the way. A6, I find it like really beautiful. Then temperature is -2. Just hit the sliders over here, then you hit the white balance because you have the temperature and the tint in the white balance, and that's -2. Go back to VSCO, temperature -2, yeah, contrast +2. Go back to the start, contrast +2, there you go. Hit yes, then go back. Then the skin tones are +4 on skin tones. Hit yes, then go back. The saturation is -2. Go to saturation, which is -2. There you go, 1.9. I really can't nail it. Oh, there you go, -2. And then the fade +3. And the fade is +3. There you go, 3.1 works as well. And the last one was the exposure. The exposure is -3. Before doing that, let me just give you a trick, like a short advice. They would not know the exact position of your exposure just because there's not like a general rule of thumb how did you take the photo. So basically just adjust the exposure by your own like means, because you basically won't be able to copy the exposure from the VSCO filter pack on Pinterest, because as I said, they wouldn't know how did you take the photo. I'm gonna just drop it like 0.5, -0.5. I think that looks good. Okay, then hit next and save it as a draft. Now that you saved your own photo as a draft, you can just click on it, tap on it, and then go more and copy the edits and go to the other ones and paste the edits that you've done to the first photo. So I'm about to do that with this one, paste edits, and just tweak it a little bit. If you're not happy with the final result, just go and like adjust the exposure, because mainly that's the problem when you're working with presets. Go to the other one, more, paste edits. This one looks amazing. Just let me tweak it up a little bit. Exposure is a problematic one when it comes to this kind of presets on VSCO. Save it as draft. Fourth one, paste edits. This one looks really good. I really love the mood of these moody presets. Love the mood of these moody presets. There you go, you heard it first time right here. Love the mood of these moody presets. There you go. That's just me, folks. That's just me. Then hit next. Save as a draft. The fifth one, paste edits. This is pretty bluish, so I'm gonna adjust the white balance, the temperature. We'll make it a little bit warmer. I think that's good. Put it on 0. That's pretty good. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Next, save it as a draft. Go to the last one and paste the edits as well. It's fine like that. I want to get those neon lights glowing. You know what? I'm gonna adjust the white balance as well. -1.3 is fine. Hit next and save it as a draft. And ta-dam! You have your feed like ready to go in less than 10 minutes. Right now, I just simulated on the screen final look of our feed, if you wanna call it like that. And I really hope that you like it because I find it pretty good. And if you wanna use it, well, be my guest. You just copy my settings and there you go. You have a new preset. That being said, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Also, I want to see your comments in the comment section below because I really want to know your feedback about these videos that I'm making. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram on alexander.shepherd if you want to know more things about photography, and also if you want to follow my work. I don't know, if you find me an interesting guy, follow me on Instagram. You'll have it in the description below and on the screen, of course. In the end, I just want to say I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you have a good vibe right now. And please don't throw rocks at me because I'm Romanian and my English is a little bit rusty, but I'll improve. See you next time, guys.